Attorney Torion, welcome po sa The Hague, Netherlands. Kamusta po kayo today?
Oh, I'm very happy to be here. No, masaya po ako na nandito kasama ng aking may bahay at si Ma'am Laini Bereso at mga anak niya at kaibigan. No, I'm very happy to be here at kita ko na yung penitentiary ni Tatay Digong. No, and I'm hoping and praying that he's okay sa loob.
Sir, how do you feel right now, sir, na nandito ka sa Duterte Park, nandito ka kung saan nagtitipon-tipon ang mga Pilipino at kung saan PRRD is really near but so far from us?
Well, honestly, I feel I have mixed feelings. No, first, I'm very downtrodden, especially in the light of the fact that I know that he is just very near. Yet, even I, as a lawyer, could not even go to him kasi there are requisites that have to be complied with before I could enter. And this is really a clear evidence, no, of how injustice is continually being committed against him, knowing the fact that we have a working judiciary in our country, beloved country, yet he is here in a very far away country in Netherlands, no, and he is languishing in jail, and the prosecution is even trying to secure more witnesses against him, and it is really an injustice in itself. So kaya I have mixed feelings kasi at least nadala ako ng kliyente dito, ng mabait ko ng kliyente, at pero ako rin ay hindi masaya kasi nakikita ko kung ano ang sitwasyon po ni Tatay Digong dito. Pero wala tayong magawa kundi pag-alay ng dasal kay Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala na sana magkaroon ng milagro na makauwi po si Tatay Digong doon sa atin.
Attorney, the Appeals Chamber of the International Criminal Court will read their decision doon sa jurisdictional challenge na isinumite ng defense team. Do you have insights or hope perhaps sa decision ng court, sir?
I am hoping against hope, no, that a miracle will happen because the positivist in me keep on telling me that somehow a miracle will happen and the ICC will do the right thing. However, I am also a realist, and I know for a fact that PRRD is the shining armor of the ICC for its continued relevance in the international arena. And I know that they might be realist likewise and pragmatist, that they might deny the appeal filed by PRRD through attorney Nick Hoffman. So there's a battle within me between the positivist in me that somehow a miracle will happen, that ICC will rule that it has no jurisdiction on the matter, because clearly there are grounds to believe that, and to rightfully argue that really the ICC no longer has jurisdiction to try the case. However, realities would also tell me that ICC may keep him, otherwise it might lose its relevance in the international justice system. So kaya I could not say with certainty kung anong magiging ruling niya ng ICC po on the matter.
Attorney, we were able to follow the confirmation of charges hearing. Do you also have insights or hopes also with respect to the decision which will be made known to the public by the end of April or early May?
Well, I should give credit where credit is due. No? Attorney Nick Hoffman was able to really score very excellent legal points in his argumentation before the ICC. And the positivist in me will tell me that somehow there are hopes that his arguments would be considered by the ICC justices. However, the realist in me again will tell me that somehow some of his arguments may not be duly considered, and there may be charges that will be confirmed so that the hearing against PRRD will continue.
Attorney, just to conclude this interview, Do you have a message to the Filipino people who up until now, more than a year already, we still continue to show our unwavering love and support to the former president?
Well, may kasabihan nga, no? So long as the sun rises in the east and so long as we are alive, there is hope. Alam ko yung pagka-realist in me, no? That is born in the fact that I am a lawyer and I am also abreast of what is going on in the international arena. So, ang akin lang is let us continue to pray to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, because the situation that we are in today is something which only the great architect of the universe can, do in order for our hopes to become stark realities. So let us continue to pray to the Lord Almighty that somehow a miracle will happen, that the appeals chamber will rule in our favor, and the confirmation hearings will likewise be ruled in our favor. Yan na lang po ang aking masasabi po dito.
Attorney Torion, on behalf of the Filipino community here in The Hague and all over the world, closely monitoring the case of the former president, welcome to the Netherlands at maraming salamat po.
Salamat din sa iyo, Alvin. You are an inspiration to many people in our country, and please continue to do what you are doing here.
Thank you, sir. Mabuhay kayo.
Salamat po.